Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering ingredients for juicy chicken patties. Use 500 g ground chicken, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup breadcrumbs for binding. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper for basic seasoning and flavor balance. Optionally mix in 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion for aromatics. Combine gently to avoid dense texture, then shape into patties about 3-5 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Chill the shaped patties in the refrigerator for 20 minutes before cooking. Heat a heavy skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Place chilled patties gently in the skillet and avoid crowding to maintain even sear. Cook the patties for 6 to 7 minutes per side, flipping once to form a golden crust on each side. Insert an instant-read thermometer to confirm an internal temperature of 165 degrees F for safe doneness. Transfer cooked patties to a plate and tent loosely with foil to rest for 5 minutes. Resting helps juices toast burger buns lightly in a pan or toaster for added texture and warmth. While buns toast, place each hot patty on a cutting board and add cheese slice, if desired, for 1 minute to allow melting. Layer toppings purposefully. Start with lettuce, then tomato slices, and optional pickles for crunch and acidity. Spread condiments like mayonnaise, mustard, or ketchup on both bun halves to taste and balance flavors. Assemble the burger and serve immediately with a side like fries or salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.